Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Millie and happy 12 days of Multichromas. We have another multichrome video. Today is going to be a tutorial, specifically a holiday multichrome look. As you can see, I went all in with red, so if you're curious how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. I'm priming with the P. Louise paint primer. And I'm going to be using this orange eyeshadow. It's from the Glam Light Paint Pro palette that I depotted and repanned. And I'm just putting that into my crease, taking about 2/3 of the way. And I'm also going to put it all over my lid. So just tapping it on. Next I'm going in with the Lethal Gel Liner in Q. I'm gonna create basically a giant wing. So I'm gonna take it under my lower lash line. I'm gonna look up to see where my hood lands. So I make sure that I take it high enough. And I'm just gonna fill that in a little bit, not all the way, but I'm gonna create a liner all the way across, connecting them together, just like that. And then right here, I'm just gonna try to basically blend it in, but not worrying too much about it since I'm gonna be putting on something else over it anyways, but just a little bit. I feel like this outer portion is a little too thin, so I'm just gonna beef it up a little bit. Next, I'm taking the Danessa Myricks flaky gel thing in hot lava. I'm going to be using a silicone applicator to apply it, and I just want to add a little bit of sparkle. So we're just gonna layer it all over my lid. These are really best to use when they're not too layered. So that's why I'm just going in and just basically getting a really nice thin layer on. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using Carla Cosmetics. So I'm going in with their Fix Potion. I'm just laying it down first under the other half of my lower lash line and my inner corner. I'm going in with the shade Rockabye Baby. And I'm just gonna pop it right in the center and bring it under my lower lash line. And I put on these So Real lashes from Kiss. And in the waterline, I put extra frosting from ColourPop. For the blush, I'm going in with Tangerine from Salt New York. The shade is quite pigmented, so I'm gonna go in and take my time to build it up. Just gonna put on a little bit more. It does come on pretty red and orangey. I do have a little bit of leftover highlighter from Fenty Beauty, the new liquid highlighter. So that is going to be affecting the way that this looks on the skin. And then on the other cheek, just a little bit more. And on top of that, I'm gonna go in with Cupcake Crush from Bitter Lace Beauty. I absolutely love these highlighters. I pretty much have to stop myself from using them because they're just so good. I'm just gonna put on a little bit more, and then on the other cheek, I'm going in with a little bit more of a lighter hand. You can definitely get these to be even more vibrant if you wanted to. I love these. They just smooth out so nicely. On the lips, I have the YSL number 28 lipstick. It really matches nicely with the liner. So here's the finished holiday makeup look that I came up with. I wanted to do something a little bit more unconventional, something a little bit more colorful, and just really, really festive. So that's everything for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this short little tutorial for just one look with some matching lips as well as cheeks. Maybe I can sprinkle these kinds of tutorials here and there. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.